See these? Even my nails are Barbie pink. That's commitment, people. Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, then hi, my name is Jen and welcome to Luxylish. So I did my research and one of the most requested, most searched makeup tutorial is the Barbie tutorial. Possibly because of this viral video that came out of TikTok. I think a lot of people are trying to recreate that video right now. So yeah, I'd like to help out. This video is also for people who do cosplaying, or maybe you want to get a early head start with your Halloween costume this year and you want to dress up as Barbie, then yeah. So anyway, if you want to learn how I turned this into this, then keep watching. So let's get started. I already have my base done. Just put foundation on and then put some concealer on. It just has to be flawless because Barbie is flawless, right? And also plastic. The Barbie that I'm gonna try and copy is this one. I think this is the 90s Barbie.
I had so many Barbie dolls, it's not even funny.
Okay, let's get started. First, I'm going to get some of my MAC soft ochre paint pot. I'm gonna prime my whole eyelid with this, and also I'm gonna put some on my brows. So for my brows, I'm gonna be using a light brown, and I think I'm gonna go with this color right here. I'm using the MORPHE 35F eyeshadow palette. And with a spoolie, I'm just gonna brush up my brow hairs and make this a little softer, make the color a bit softer. Now we're moving on to eye makeup. In order to recreate the Barbie look, I'm gonna have to make my eyes look way bigger than they actually are. So for the eyeshadow, I'm gonna be using this eyeshadow palette, and this was given to me by my good friend Monica Linden. Thank you so much, Monica, for this eyeshadow palette. I am choosing a pink, a very pink and matte color right here, this color right here. And I'm just applying that on my crease a little higher than I normally would. But instead of going down here, I'm going to extend it a little bit wider this way. Now we're going to be doing a cut crease. I'm going to pick up the angled brush that I used before for my brows. This is the NYX number 18. And then I'm just going to pick up a dark brown color, this one, this dark brown up here. So I'm going to create a line right here, and this is going to be the new fold. Just creating a new eye shape, a bigger eye shape. Like that. All right, both eyes done. It's looking so weird, you guys. I'm not gonna lie. I'm like, what is this? This is ridiculous. Right, my eyes are looking kind of like already, even with just this cut crease, my eyes are looking way bigger already. All right, I'm getting a little bit excited, a little bit weirded out, but you know what? This gonna be good. It's gonna be great. I'm gonna be using a concealer now. I'm going to create a new lid. All right, cut crease done. Now I'm looking at Barbie's photo right in front of me, and this side of her lids is actually a shimmery kind of pearl kind of vibe. So we're gonna be doing the same thing, and I'm going to be using this color right here. Again, this is the Morphe 35F, and I'm just going to put that all over my lower lid, like so. I'm also extending it down here. So the next step, I'm going to be doing the winged liner just like Barbie's. It's gonna be black, it's gonna be crisp, and it's gonna be really high up. I am going to be using CYBERCOLORS Ultra Stay Fine Liner in black. So a little bit overdrawn right here in the corner. And then I'm going to continue drawing that line on my lash line. Okay, winged liner done. We're gonna keep going. Now I'm going to do my mascara really quick. Mascara done, but I am going to leave the bottom lashes alone because we're gonna be creating a different, very doll-like lash line down here. So for now, I'm just going to pick up this pencil from NYX, and this is the Wonder Pencil number 01 Light, and it's a nude color. Okay, I'm using a lighter brown color. I think I'm gonna be using this color right here. And then I'm going to create now a new lower lash line just below this white liner right here. Basically, I'm ignoring the actual shape of my eyes and extending everything outwards to make it look way bigger. I'm using this shade now to smoke out the lower lash line. It's like a little peachy brown kind of color here. And I'm just using a lighter brown to kind of smoke out that line, just like Barbie's. Now I'm going to switch to a pen. This is from CYBERCOLORS, also the Ultra Stay Fine Liner in 02 this time, the baby brown. We're gonna be creating some lines right there. And then it goes smaller and smaller towards the inner corner of the eyes. All right, other side. Oh my gosh. Come on, Barbie, let's go party. Yeah. The bottom lashes are done and they're looking kind of cool. Very doll-like. And then I'm just going to pick up this color right here, the darkest one. And then I'm just going to smoke out this cut crease. So you see, now it's a little bit more blurry and this one is like really stark. Okay, eyes done. No, I lied, sorry. Lashes. We need to do lashes, of course, duh. So I am using this one from Sparkling Beauty. Ta-da! I'm just gonna be using a bronzer really quick and I'll be right back. Now I'm going to contour my nose, make it smaller. So now we're going to move on to blush. So this is the apple of my cheeks when I smile, right? I'm placing the blush on top because this lifts up my face and also it gives it that youthful flush. I'm extending the blush up here where Barbie usually does it. I'm talking about Barbie like she's an actual person. Okay, now we're moving on to the lips. I'm a little bit nervous about this one because I'm gonna have to change the shape of my own lips and try and recreate the Barbie lips. All right, we're gonna fill this in with lipstick. So this one is from MAC, the Bitten Babe Versicolor Varnish. All right, lips done, but this is just an extra step. It's optional, but I feel like it adds to the doll-like look. I'm going to be using a white liner. This one is from Sephora and it's the Glide Liner in White Snow. And I'm just going to draw a little white line down here. And that just kind of creates that Barbie lips, the illusion of gloss. And then I'm just going to smudge this a little bit and blend it out. Okay, so for the finishing touches, I'm gonna be wearing a blonde wig and blue contact lenses, and of course the very signature Barbie pink dress. I'll be right back. Don't go away. I'm a Barbie girl in a Barbie world. Oh my gosh, that's so much fun. Hi everybody, so this is the final look. I hope you guys like it. I think it's pretty cool. I put blue contact lenses on, the doll eyes size ones, you know, those ones that are a bit bigger than natural eyeballs. And then of course this wig that I got from Mongkok in Hong Kong, the ladies market. And then this dress is from H&M. It's very Barbie pink. That's it. So I hope you guys enjoyed that. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. Hopefully you guys learned something. Maybe you will be able to do the Not Your Barbie Girl TikTok viral video. Or you can also use this for cosplaying, or maybe for Halloween you're gonna go as Barbie. I'm definitely gonna go as Barbie this Halloween. It's decided, okay? It's decided. If you like this video and if you learned something, then please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Again, my name is Jen, posing as Barbie today. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye! Barbie wave. Bye!